Let's talk about 5 planner trends that I think you should be aware of for 2024, especially if you want to grow your planner business, increase your revenue, and really make it an actual business. Remember, if you would like to create and sell your own planner, make sure to sign up for my free course, Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below, and let's get started. Trend number 1 is to actually pay for the registered trademark usage of Star Wars and all of their images. So if anyone's on Cricut, you'll see that you can use a lot of these images. I don't want to say it's not that expensive, but it could be a really great investment, especially if that's something that's trending right now. It kind of does your advertising for you in a way. I think it's like a good investment. Hello Kitty, always popular year round. Same thing with the Grinch, because it's Christmas time. You have over here on the Typo Store. Supernatural. There was a woman, I was trying to look for it. She is an official license planner creator of Supernatural, and I think it was the Gilmore Girls, or maybe it was Buffy. It was something like that, where you were like, oh my God, I love that show. And then you're like, oh, could she really sell this? And then on her site, it said, I officially am licensed to do that. So then you wouldn't have to be worried about being taken down. All right, so trend number 2 is Barbie. If there was ever a time that pink was going to be popular, I mean, it's pretty much always, but for sure right now, it is definitely Barbie. Light pink, hot pink, dark pink, mixtures of pink, all types of pink. Barbie is really popular. Now, Mattel does have their own official planner. Luckily for you, it is crazy, hideous, ugly. So anything you do will definitely be better. And it looks like it's more targeted toward children. So I have 2 of those open. But anything Barbie related, Barbie inspired, it's just going to catch people's eyes anywhere you go. There's tons of printables everywhere online, everywhere you look, and people are looking for those. All right, trend number 3 is customization. So you're going to let the customer pick however they want to put things together. Now, I realize this is definitely also an investment into letting things be created as the order comes in, because you can't really do them in bulk. So you'd have to be printing things on your own at home. But Plum Planner is really great. This is May Designs. They do a great job of letting you pick things, put some words, add your own logo. Same thing with Golden Coil. They actually have really high quality paper. And over here, you can make Christmas cards too. People can upload their own pictures. As long as they're shopping on your site, they probably like your products. And if it's easy for you to do, why not? Trend number 3 we're on number 4, is seasonal stickers. So stickers, if you were going to ask me, what is the number 1 planner accessory? It's stickers. It always has been. It currently is. And I predict that it always will be. People love stickers. If you love planners, you love stickers. It's kind of like a given. These are my favorite planners. They're from Bloom. They go along. There's a set of stickers for each month. Usually that's what they do. Erin Condren came out with some as well. Plum Paper has seasonal, so this is winter. They have spring, fall, summer. So always a really great option. Now, trend number, I think I'm in number 5, is a monthly membership. So if you're like me and you just like talking and you like planning, which I'm guessing you do, otherwise you probably wouldn't be interested in making a planner, then creating goal setting workshops or a how to set up your planner workshop. All of these are super popular, right? People, no matter how much direction you give in a planner, people got a planner because they want guidance. Otherwise, they would just have a blank page or they'd be a bullet journal creator. That's not why they're there. They're there to get guidance. So Passion Planner does theirs for free. They have a website. You can sign up for their sessions on Eventbrite. Cultivate What Matters gives you free access to what they call Goal School. And so what happens in Goal School, I think you have to pay. So it's free with your planner Power Sheets purchase, but only for that year. So here I'm logged into mine. I can see 2023 because I bought a planner for this year, and I can see, how to fill it out. There's a 6-part session. And then Goal School Premium, it will tell me I needed to buy. I didn't purchase it, so I don't have access to it. I know that Power Sheets used to have all these huge live streams with Laura Casey. She's gone now, so I don't think that's really a thing anymore. I think I saw the videos. I think they're just staff that are doing the videos that you see inside of here. So like I have no idea who this person is. And in fact, I think they might be the new staff from the new religious organization that bought Cultivate What Matters, but don't quote me on that. I'm not sure who they are. I'm sure they're fine. I'm not like knocking it. I'm just saying like when Laura Casey was there were tons of live streams. She talked all about gardening and plants. So, you know, everyone kind of puts their own spin on it. And they sell this for $149. And then this is, I guess, what you get. They do a masterclass every month. Moxie Life seems to be super crazy popular. This is a membership as well. And their memberships are more run like, I want to say they do like a slide deck. So here, if you go to their website, they give you like a couple sample pages for what they give out every month. And then they had, where was it on here? Somewhere on there, they have a YouTube channel as well. And they have some sessions that are free, goal setting series. And then I think if you want access to the monthly live streams, you have to actually pay. So Whitney English, her site is down right now because I think getting ready for her 2024 planner launch. But she has this thing called Heart Goals that you can join. I think it's like, I want to say $30 a month. And Heart is just an acronym that she created a few years back. Strange and Charmed, Alex, I think that's her name, Alexis, Miss Trenchcoat, has things for people who want to build an online business. Looks like she's added a couple other things in there. So she provides guidance as well, along with her planners. And then there's a smaller, this I think called Goal Crazy. I think I did a review. I think they sent me a planner once, but theirs is way cheaper. It's $50. You get a call that they do. And when it says call, I'm guessing it might not be a video call. Maybe that's why it's less. I don't know. This guy seems like he's on video. So again, you could vary it based on maybe what you're offering and things going on. Daily Greatness just offers workshops that you could purchase. So next is Silk and Sonder, and they have a monthly membership. And like, I think the way you get their planner is you can't get it unless you join the membership. And the planners are really thin. So it's basically, I think it's like something that honestly could just be a printable, but because they send it to you, it like has more value, I think. I don't know how they print these to make this price so low to like, I mean, the shipping alone, I would think would cost a lot. But anyways, you pay this amount of money and then you get access to their app, which is pretty robust and has a lot of different things going on, a lot of forums, a lot of people talking. So I think they did a really great job with that. And then lastly, a bonus trend is the Laurel Denise planner. So I did an unboxing. I think this is someone who has taken a bullet journal trend and put it into a planner, because inside of here she has those Dutch doors on that weekly layout where she has the pages that, I don't know how you can see it, the pages on the inside that turn, and then the rest of the pages kind of stay the same. I don't know. There it is. There's a good example of it. So she has the mini pages inside there, and usually you only see those on bullet journals. So really great idea to take a favorite bullet journal trend that you see or like or admire and then actually put that into a planner, because most people, especially like me, do not have time, patience, or any interest in creating a bullet journal. Like just doing the planning alone is like enough work. Can't imagine making the planner and then doing planning. But anyways, those are my top 5 trends. So let's go over those really quick. First was to get branded merch. Just go ahead and pay to be a licensor of those. Second one is anything Barbie. The third one is personalization. The fourth one is seasonal stickers. And the fifth one is creating a membership like Goal School. And the bonus one was taking a bullet journal favorite feature and making it into a planner. All right, I hope that gave you a ton of ideas. Remember, if you would like to create your own planner, make sure to sign up for Planner 101. I will leave a link to that below. I hope everyone's having a fabulous day. There is still plenty of time to create your 2024 planner, and I will see you later. Bye.